Morning student. In the last video I have already covered what are the types of shallow foundation which I have explained in details. So in today's video I will be teaching you the problems on shallow foundation. There is one type of problem for you which will appear in the exam, so be attentive. Okay, so the problem is on finding the width and depth of the shallow foundation. Only width and depth of the shallow foundation is to be determined in this type of problem. So firstly understand what is the width and what is the depth. Whatever is this, okay, length of the foundation is called as width of the foundation, and whatever is the depth or the height of the foundation is called as depth of the foundation. So first one, let us understand how to find the width of the foundation. Let me read it. The width of the foundation is obtained by dividing the total load per unit length of the footing by safe bearing capacity of the soil. So how can we obtain the width of the foundation? By dividing the total load divided by safe bearing capacity. Width कैसे find करते हैं? Total load divided by सेफ बेरिंग कैपेसिटी. अगर ये डिवाइड करेंगे हम लोड बाय सेफ बेरिंग कैपेसिटी तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? विड्थ ऑफ द फाउंडेशन. विड्थ ऑफ द फाउंडेशन मतलब क्या? लेंथ ऑफ द फाउंडेशन, मतलब उसका लेंथ कितना है वो हम इस फॉर्मूला से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई टोल्ड यू टोटल लोड. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस टोटल लोड? टोटल लोड्स इंक्लूड डेड लोड plus live load plus wind load or any other load which is coming on the structure. It can be any other load which is coming on the structure. Okay, therefore the formula for width of the wall footing is equal to total load per meter length. Okay, total load which whatever is the I told you here divided by allowable bearing capacity of the soil, nothing but SBC of the soil. Understanding? This is the formula to find the width of the foundation. Total load by SBC. You will get the width in meters. Okay. Next one, there is another formula. This is one formula. Another formula is width of the footing is equal to 2t plus 2x, where T is thickness of the wall. ये जो T है इस फॉर्मूला में वो क्या है? thickness of the wall है. Then X is the extension और projection after wall. Okay, जो X है इस फॉर्मूला में वो क्या है? extension बोल सकते हैं उसको या प्रोजेक्शन बोल सकते हैं. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द फुटिंग. ओके, जो भी ये वॉल से आगे एक्सटेंशन इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? एक्स. सो 2 टाइम्स ऑफ एक्स बिकॉज इट इज ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. सो दीज आर द 2 फॉर्मूलाज बाय विच यू कैन फाइंड द विड्थ ऑफ द फुटिंग. विच अगर ये दोनों सॉल्व करने के बाद में जो भी ग्रेटर वैल्यू आएगा, विच एवर इज द ग्रेटर वैल्यू, यू हैव टू कंसिडर दैट एज द विड्थ ऑफ द फाउंडेशन. After solving this, if you get the answer as 1, and after solving this equation, if you get the answer as 1.2, then you have to consider the greater one, means 1.2 it should be considered. जो भी इसमें सबसे greater आएगा वो होगी आपकी width of the footing. After understanding how to find the width of the footing, let us move to फाइंडिंग ऑफ डेप्थ ऑफ द फुटिंग. ओके, विड्थ ऑफ द फुटिंग तो आपने समझ लिया कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. अभी लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू फाइंड द डेप्थ ऑफ द फाउंडेशन. लेट मी रीड द फॉर्मूला. फॉर नॉर्मल बिल्डिंग्स डेप्थ ऑफ द फाउंडेशन इज कैलकुलेटेड बाय Rankines formula. There is one formula called as Rankines, which is introduced by Rankine. Okay, Rankine is the name of the person. Okay, he have introduced one formula to find the depth of the foundation that you are going to use to find the depth of the foundation, where the formula is like df is equals to p naught by gamma into bracket 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi the whole square. Understanding? Always minus is first and then the plus. Negative divided by positive. This you should remember. So P naught by gamma into bracket 1 minus sin 5 divided by 1 plus sin 5 the whole square, where df is minimum depth of the foundation in meters. जो है वो depth है. Okay, जो df है वो depth of the foundation है किसमें? meters में. Then is P naught bearing capacity of the soil in kilonewton per meter square. Whatever is this P naught is the SBC of the soil in kilonewton per meter square. Then is gamma. Gamma is nothing but the density of the soil, or you can tell the unit weight of the soil, which is in kilonewton per meter cube. Then is this phi. Phi is the angle of repose of the soil. Okay, by this formula you can find the depth of the footing. Okay, by these two formulas you can find the width. Whichever is the greater, you have to consider that, and by this formula you can find the depth of the foundation. Now let us move to the problematic part of the problem. Okay, so let me read the question. This is the question given to you. Okay, problem is determine the width and depth of the foundation. We have to find the depth and width of the foundation for 230 mm thick wall. It is in mm. Okay, 230 mm thick wall of building with the following data. So first data is density of the soil, which is 16 kilonewton per meter cube. This is the given problem. Okay, SBC of the soil is 160 kilonewton per meter square. Next is angle of repose, which is 30 degree. Total load per meter running length is 180 kilonewton, and even the weight of the foundation is included in that. Okay, then after reading what is the question, what is given in question, the thickness of the wall is given, density is given, SBC of the soil is given, then angle of repose 5 is given, and then the total load is also given. So whatever is required is been given. So now let us find the solution. First write down the given things. Okay, given things are, let me do it here. Okay, first and foremost you have to write the given things. So given things, what all is given to you? Okay, T0, which means the total load or the SBC of the soil is called as P0. So it is 160 kilonewton per meter square. Next, what is given is density, gamma. Okay, it is 16 kilonewton per meter cube. Then what else is 5, which is angle of repose, which is 30 degree. Okay, then is the total load they have given per running meter length. Okay, which is 180 kilonewton. Then what else is given? Thickness of the wall is given as 230 mm. These are all the given things. So you have to write them first while solving the problem. First, let us find what is depth of foundation. Okay, first finding the depth of foundation. How will you find the depth of foundation? Using Rankine's formula, isn't it? You will be using the Rankine's formula to solve the depth of the foundation. So the formula goes like dF is equals to P0 by gamma 1 minus sine of phi divided by 1 plus sine of 5 the whole square. Okay, so now let us insert all the values in this. P0 is nothing but 160, isn't it? Then gamma is nothing but 16 into bracket 1 minus sine of phi is nothing but 30 degree divided by 1 plus sine of 30 degree the whole square. Do not forget this square. Okay, now let me solve this on calculator. Okay, on the calculator. Then first solve this bracket. Okay, 1 minus sine of 30 degree. Okay, divided by 1 plus sine of 30 degree. Answer the square of it. Okay, and multiply this with 160 divided by 16, isn't it? So the answer is 1.11 meter. This is the answer you have got after solving this equation in the calculator. So you cannot provide 1.1 meter in the field, so you can tell it to be 1.2 meter. Okay, so depth is equal to 1.2 meter. Next is we have to find width of foundation, isn't it? Next is we have to find the width of the foundation. To find the width of the foundation, there are two formulas. First is width is equals to 2t plus 2x. Okay, these are the formula. T is nothing but thickness, whereas x is nothing but projection. Now, let the projection of concrete block from lowermost course be x is equal to 150 mm. This you can assume. You can assume it to be 150 or 100. You have to assume it in the range of 100 to 150 mm, not more than this. Okay. Then formula is B is equal to 2 into T is nothing but 230, which is given in the problem, plus 2 into 150. This is the formula. So solve it in the calculator, which is 2 into 230 plus 2 into 150. So the answer is 760. 760 is in mm, because this we have inserted in mm, this we have inserted in mm. So the answer is in mm. So in meter you can write it as 0.76 meter. Okay. Now this was according to the first formula. Now the second formula is width of foundation is equal to total load divided by SBC of soil. Isn't it? This was the formula told to you before. So total load is 180 kilonewton. Already told total load is 180 kilonewton divided by SBC is P naught, which is 160 kilonewton. So 180 divided by 160. Let me solve it. 180 divided by 160. So the answer is 1.125. You can call it to be 1.2 meter. So while adopting the width of the foundation, you have to take greater of these two. So one answer is 0.76, another answer is 1.2. So whichever is greater, you have to adopt it. So greater is 1.2. So therefore, adopt width of foundation is equals to 1.2 meter. Okay, whichever is greater among this, you have to adopt it. Therefore, width by depth is equals to depth is also 1.2 meter and depth is also 1.2 meter. So width is 1.2 meter by 1.2 meter. Understanding? If there is a foundation like this,